Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my makeup monthly for the month of April. Hopefully I don't delete the footage this time. I was so frustrated last month when I did that. So hopefully this format can work this time. I didn't technically buy anything new this month, but I do have some stuff that I picked up at the end of last month that I put in this month because I didn't have time to play with it, to really get some thoughts on it. And I'm a little bit sick today. I'm a little bit under the weather. Just some random cold that popped out of nowhere. Thankfully, it's nothing too bad, too crazy. It seems it's going away pretty quickly, so I am happy about that. But my voice is a little bit off. My face might be a little bit off. I am tired today. But let's go ahead and get into it. Starting with the 3 items that I did purchase. I got a couple of things from Sephora. The Makeup by Mario. It is their Master Eye Prep Set. It is beautiful. I got the Fair to Light shade, so I can use both of these to prime my eyelids and then this to set. I love how it's an all-in-one eye priming set. I think it makes it very convenient, very easy to use. I have used them as a concealer, and you can also use it to cut your crease, which I have not technically done yet, but I know I could. I do use formulas like this all the time to cut my crease, so there's a lot you can do with this. I do really like it. I am enjoying it. I don't know how long this has been out for. This was actually the first thing from Makeup by Mario that I am trying, so I was excited to have picked this up. And then I also picked up the McGrath Labs. It is their Blitz Astral Quad in the shade Ritualistic Rose. That is a little bit of a tongue twister. And again, this was just one of those things that was on my love list for a while. I had an opportunity to pick it up, so I did, and I am not happy with it. So I feel like the shimmer is the Pat McGrath formula that I've learned to love, but I feel like the quality of the eyeshadows is more of an Urban Decay or Too Faced quality, which is not bad if you're buying high-end eyeshadow, but this is a luxury eyeshadow and a luxury brand, so I expected luxury quality, so I am very disappointed in this. Next is the one item that I did pick up from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, and that is the Nabla Cutie palette in the shade Analogue. So I wasn't going to pick up from anything from the sale, and then they had a day where they just like gave us everything throughout the whole sale, and I decided that I did want to pick this up. I do enjoy picking up Nabla palettes in the sale, and I think it is beautiful. Yes, I do have these shades in my collection. Yes, I do love the Cutie formula. I think it is beautiful. I think it's a fun little fall palette to work with, and I'm going to enjoy this, especially as we're like going into summer, like late summer, early fall palette. I feel like this would be the perfect time to use, but I don't wear my makeup seasonally. I wear my makeup as I feel like wearing my makeup. I know a lot of people do wear them seasonally. I like looking at what people pick out for seasonal makeup. I like filming seasonal makeup, but I don't actually wear seasonal makeup. So yeah, this is beautiful. I do enjoy it. I am loving the quality of the eyeshadows, and this is the third Nabla palette that I have. Next up are my Boxycharm items that I got in my box this month. The one thing I'm not going to show on camera are my sponges, because they are dirty. I have been getting use out of them. I did like them, but I did get this hydrating eye cream from First Aid Beauty. Again, stuff like this takes me a long time to know whether or not I like it, but I've always enjoyed First Aid Beauty in the past, and I don't see why this is a miss. It's not doing anything bad. It's just hard. It takes a lot of time for me to know whether or not I like stuff like this. From Misho Beauty, I got these dual eyeliners, and so they came as one, but they are the exact same shade of lip liner. No, they're not eyeliners, they are lip liners. I am struggling with my words today. So they are the exact same shade of lip liner in one kit. I'm wondering, like, they don't even look like it's like a warm tone versus a cool tone. It looks exactly the same. I mean, maybe there's a slight difference on the wrist, here's the first one I swatched and then the second one I swatched. Maybe there's a slight difference in tone, but on the lips it's not going to make a difference. They're basically neutrals. I wish I would have gotten 2 different shades or 2 vastly different tones, but they are so close to the exact same thing that I'm like, well, why would you do that? It makes no sense. I could have just bought one, gotten something else, or gotten a different color. I also got the House Labs. It's their brow pencil, the Edge Precision Brow Pencil. And I probably need to go back and change the color of my brows to more of a taupe shade. Because this does pull red, which is fine because I do color my hair red. I'm not overly worried about it. I do like some red brow pencils in my collection to have, and I'm just feeling like my hair is freshly colored. I want my brows to match my hair, but overall I should probably just go back and say I want taupe. Other than that, this is beautiful. I wouldn't say it's anything super special, but I do like it, and I am glad to have another small brow pencil. Let's see. It is more of a finer pencil, but not so fine that it's gonna break. I know that could be a struggle, but definitely fine enough to where it does what I want it to do. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus on that or not, but I do love like just the size of the tip. I feel like it's a happy medium of it's not too fine, but fine enough to do what I want it to do. And it's got a spoolie on the other side to where I can brush and blend the pencil. And then the last item I got in my Boxycharm is the Violet Voss Pretty in Paradise palette. I have gotten Violet Voss palettes in the past. I did really love them. I do love playing with them. This one I just wasn't thrilled with. The blush shades are just okay. These shades are just okay. The transition shades, like I don't get a deep shade, which I really do want in a palette. The deep shade is a shimmer. I do love a deep matte, but really this one here is a deep shade and it's a transition shade on me, and I've got very fair to light skin. The blushes are okay. This is just kind of an okay palette, not my favorite. Because I got it in my Boxycharm, I'm not terribly mad that this was a miss. By the way, if you don't know anything about Boxycharm, it's Boxycharm by Ipsy now, and they are a beauty, hair care, and skincare beauty box that I just love getting every month. I used to put these in a separate video, but I just got to the point to where I just wanted to incorporate them in this. It's new makeup, so I just wanted to share my thoughts while I'm here. And I do have one empty this month. I emptied is it the GHD or the Gold Faden MD Solution Vital Boost. It's a daily moisturizer. I did really like this. I don't think I would go and repurchase it just because I get a lot of skincare in my Boxycharm, and I've got a lot of skincare already, so I don't really feel the need to use it, but I did like the quality of it. I do think it's worth it if you are needing a new skincare item. But yeah, that's my empty. I did receive this in a box later last year, so I actually went through this pretty quickly. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if that's not what you're into but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I have been posting more vlogs lately. Let me know if you're liking that. I find it fun to kind of I've been posting like eating vlogs, or every once in a while I'll do something and I'm like, you know what, let's just vlog it. I just kind of do it on my phone. I'm using a camera right now, but it is something that I've been enjoying doing, and I hope you're enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying creating those kinds of videos. They're a lot more casual, which I feel like is very kind of fitting for where I'm at right now. Anyway, yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.